Welcome all. Now I am going to discuss question number 39 from the GATE 2017 paper Set 1 Electrical Engineering. The question is, a load is supplied by a 230 volts 50 Hz source. The active power P and the reactive power Q consumed by the load such that P is in the range of 1 kilowatts to 2 kilowatts and the Q is in the range of 1 kVAr to 2 kVAr. And a capacitor connected across the load for the power factor correction generates 1 kVAr reactive power. The worst case power factor after power factor correction is. To know the concept of power factor, audience can go through the given NPTEL course or the video link. Let us have a brief discussion on power factor. Power factor is defined as the cosine of the phase difference between the voltage and the current phasor. Generally, voltage phasor is taken as reference. If the current phasor is coming after the voltage phasor, we can say that the load is lagging. If the current phasor is coming before the voltage phasor, we can say the load is leading. If the current phasor is in phase with the voltage, we can say that the load is in phase. With the help of this information, we will try to solve the problem. Let us solve the problem. In the question, it is given that the load is supplied by 230 volts 50 Hz source. Vs is 230 volts and Fs is 50 Hz, and also it is given that the active power consumed by the load is in the range of 1 kilowatts to 2 kilowatts and Q is in the range of 1 kVAr to 2 kVAr. And also it is given that a capacitor is connected and it is supplying Q of 1 kVAr. What we need to find? We need to find out the worst case power factor. Worst case power factor means we need to find the angle between the load. That is tan inverse of P by Q. That is tan inverse of Q by P. Worst case means that is Q max by P min. And also we need to find out the power factor, right? Power factor is the cosine of that angle. So it is Q max means how much? Q max is 2. But the capacitor is supplying 1 kVAr, right? So 2 minus 1 by P min is how much? 1. That is 1. So cos of tan inverse of 1, that is cos 45 degrees, that is equal to 0.707, and the load is lagging, right? So 0.707 lag. This is the worst case power factor of the load. So the worst case power factor after power factor correction is 0.707 lag. So option B is the correct answer. Thank you.